Today's topic is distribution of survey by Power Automate Flow. Hello everyone, let us quickly create a Canvas app. So I'm going to name my Canvas app as Survey Demo. Today I'm going to demo distribution of survey emails from using Power Automate. Okay. So the Canvas app is getting ready. So let me have a very simple form. Let me quickly add a vertical gallery. Okay, so I'm going to choose my data source as marketing list. Okay, I'm going to add one more gallery. So let me drag the other gallery. Okay, so I drag the second gallery right here. Okay, I'm going to remove the data source. So I go to the gallery 2. So I don't want any data source here. So instead of gallery sample, I'm going to choose gallery 1. Let's select. Yes, that's better. So I'm going to set the visibility parameter here. So let me use the set function and declare a variable. Visibility. Okay. So I'm going to change the display. So let me leave the description as is. So instead of this name, I'm going to choose the member count. Okay. Now I'm going to add a button. Let me add a button control. So I'll rename it to Start Survey. So we have built a Canvas app where I'm listing down marketing list. So for the selected marketing list, we're going to start the survey, and the survey will distribute the invitation to all members of the chosen marketing list. So how I'm going to distribute? On click of this button, let us call an action. So let us quickly go and create a new flow. So I click on create new flow. Let us choose instant cloud flow, and I'm going to name my flow as distribute surveys. So let me choose the trigger as Power Apps. So let me add a new step. First and foremost, I'm going to initialize a variable. So let us name it as marketing list name. I choose a type as string. So we are going to dynamically pass the value. We are going to ask in Power Apps. So let me add a new step. So let us create a list rows. Right, here you go. So now I have chosen my target type in marketing list as accounts. So I'm going to fetch all the accounts that belongs to a certain marketing list. So how do I do that? I just quickly take a fetch XML. Let me go to my advanced find. Okay. All right. Let me quickly add a new condition. So let us go to accounts. Let me add all the required columns. So for the ease of demo, I have added email field on the account form. So let me quickly search the email field. Here we go. Let me drag it next to the account name. Okay. So now I go to the related marketing list entity. Yeah. Let me choose the name. So I am going to use Devi's demo just to build the fetch XML. Here I see a couple of members. So I'm going to download the fetch XML. Okay, my fetch XML is ready for download. I just move to show in folder. Right click, open with Notepad. Quickly copy. And I'm going to add it to my flow. So yeah, here I am. Okay. So since we have to pass a marketing list value dynamically, I'm going to remove the hard-coded value from the fetch XML. So let us choose the dynamic content. Let us choose the variable that we have initialized. All set. So now my list rows are ready. So let me create a new step. So we might have to loop through. So let us apply to each value that is written from the previous step. So I'm going to add an action. Okay, so in my action, I'm going to send the survey. So I have already created my survey in customer voice. So that was our video which we had yesterday. So I will quickly add the video link in chat. So if you have not seen my video. So here I have chosen send survey. Now we need the recipients to be the marketing list members. So I'm choosing the marketing list name. So even better. So I will choose from list rows. We have already received the email ID. So we will choose the email ID. Let me search for email. Yeah, here I got. So let me choose the right project. So I'm choosing the demo survey project. I'm choosing the survey to be sent. So for today's demo, I'm going to use the default survey template. We're all set. Let me quickly save my flow. Okay, my flow is ready. Let us quickly check the flow. I don't see any errors or warnings. So I'll quickly test my flow to see if my initialization variable is set properly. Yes, here you see that it is already connected to my customer voice. So yes, my initialization variable is set properly, but we are not going to add the parameter here. But let us call this flow. Yeah, you see that my new flow is added here. Let me choose this. Alright, so we have to pass the marketing list name here. I'm going to choose gallery 1, selected, it is title 1, next. Okay, so formula is complete. I don't see any error. I think we're all set. Let me quickly save my Canvas app. Okay. Okay, so my Canvas app is all set for execution. So let me do a preview. Okay, my marketing list names are loaded. So here my description and my row count is already available. So let us quickly validate if the information is fine. So I have kept my CRM screen open. You could see that I have my marketing list, Davies demo. Currently there are 2 members, and let us quickly verify the email ID. The primary contact, it is my Hotmail ID and my Gmail ID configured today. We are all set to distribute the survey. Let me click on Start Survey. I think the execution was pretty fast. So I'll quickly go to my flows. I think I have it open here. Alright. So I choose my flow, quickly check the run history. The status is succeeded. Let me open. I see that all steps are completed. You could see the count here. There are 2 records for which the survey is distributed. Let me quickly verify if they have picked my right email IDs. Yeah, the 2 list, the first record has got my Hotmail ID. Let me move on to the second record. It has my Gmail ID as well. So I could expect a mail. Quickly, let me refresh. You see here that my survey is already available. So all good to start the survey. Okay, in case you missed my survey yesterday, I'm going to quickly fill this. So I'm going to use my Gmail ID. So I'm going to rate me bad just to see that my hidden question is coming up. I'm going to choose communication, session content, both as bad. So what is that I need to improve? Communication and course content. Rest all I'm happy with. Yep. Here I submit. Alright, we have distributed as well as responded to the survey. Thank you for watching.